Hi friends, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and I'm also good. Today I'm cooking tomato rasam. It's very easy and tasty. Eat it whenever you feel bad uh, because your mouth is not good, fever or anything. So it is very good to eat in that time. So first of all, take 4 tomatoes and cut into small pieces and take small lemon size of tamarind, see I'm showing, and glass of water. Put them into a bowl and place it on the stove. Boil for 5 minutes. Then sorry, add some salt also. uh, Boil for 5 minutes and next take 3 to 4 green chilies. Let's cut the green chili before it gets boiled, the tomatoes. So cut into small pieces or big, how much size you want to cut it. I am taking medium size. So and next take curry leaves and also coriander leaves. How much you want you take it. I'm taking some more because that coriander flavor is very good to uh, in every dish, not only this rasam, in every dish it is very frequent, that recipe. So that's why I'm taking more. In every curry I'll take more. uh, so next transfer the mixture into another bowl. See, I'm showing like that, and let it cool aside because it's very hot. So here I'm taking that. So next you take any spoon or stick. Here I took that stick because that mixture is very hot. So don't put your hand and smash it well. Next on the stove and put it on the stove another pan. In that pan heat some oil and next see, I am taking 2 tablespoons of oil and heat that. After add some jeera and mustard seeds and dried red chilies if you want. I'm not taking here because I'm taking only jeera and mustard seeds. Add that and also green chilies. Yes, add that green chilies and curry leaves. Mix it well. Okay, see, fry them for a few seconds until fragrant. So see, here I am adding one more glass of water because it is very hot. So smash that tomatoes very well. After add the tomato and tamarind mixture to this pan. See, I am showing like that. Here I am taking that strainer. I am taking strainer because it is easy to pour that mixture. So add that all mixture into that pan. And next here I am adding some turmeric powder, small spoon, that's it enough. Next 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Here if you want more spicy you can add it, but I am adding 2 teaspoons, and also I am adding some salt. Next curry leaves and also coriander leaves, that's it. Boil it for 5 minutes. It is very easy to cook. See, it is ready. Boil it, that's it, off the stove. It is very easy to cook. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment, and if you want more recipes, please comment me. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Tasty rasam is ready. See how it's beautiful.